If you want to search for a song on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then we have two main ways to do so. You can use circle to search, so you can press and hold your finger on the home button if you use three buttons for navigation, or on the navigation bar if you use gestures for navigation. If you do so, then after a second you will see this Google overlay, and you can tap on this icon over here with this music node. So we can tap over here, and now we can play, sing, or hum a song in order to let Google try to recognize our song. And of course, we can tap over here in the top right corner on this icon in order to find recent song searches. So if the song is recognized, you will open Google search results with the title of the song. Besides that, you can also go to quick settings, and over here into this panel, into this section, we can actually add the song recognition feature. So, and it is pretty much the same. We just need to edit the quick settings, and let's go over here. And in this section, in available buttons, you should be able to find somewhere the option that allows you to recognize the song. Let's see if we can actually, there it is, there we go. Song search. So we can press done after adding it, and we can just tap over here, and as you can see, it looks the same. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.